Everyone, this is Ritesh. I hope you all are doing well. So, what I have for you today? So, as you can see, data visualization interview. A lot of folks have contacted me regarding Tableau jobs, right, during this lockdown, and some of them were affected as well. So, I thought to come up with this blog that can help you in a way. I'll be happy. Actually, I don't know whether it will help you or not. So, this is my analysis of 20 different job profiles or say 20 different job descriptions. So on the basis of these 20 job descriptions, I have analyzed and created top 5 skills after Tableau that you should have that can help you to make your profile stronger. We are going to talk about 4 different job profile. Out of those 20, we can talk about 4 different companies over there, like Tata Consultancy Services. Then you have Siemens. Then you have JP Morgan. Then you have Boston. So let's get started with TCS, right? So if we go through the job description and remember one thing, this is a hyperlink to the actual job, LinkedIn job. So if you think you are eligible, you can go ahead and even apply for the job. So we'll just I'll read out the summarized points for each and every job description over there. For a service-based company like TCS, you may have lesser number of rounds with respect to the other product-based companies that I'll talk about. As per this job description, you can see if you are good at Tableau, that's for sure, you need that. But after that, database, Oracle, SQL, data model, knowledge of data model, star and snowflake schemas. If you are very good at Tableau and SQL, then you are a good candidate for the above job opening. Okay, let's move over to Siemens. Now, this is a product-based company, and you may have more number of rounds with respect to TCS. Also, if you see over there, this is demanding a few more skill sets. They are expecting you to be good at Tableau server. That means you should have knowledge of performance recording, user level security, data alerts, etc. If you have Python or R in your pocket, then it's a great advantage for you. So here you should be very good at Tableau and SQL along with Tableau server knowledge. Going on within JP Morgan when it comes to Cognos to Tableau. So they are moving their reports from Cognos to Tableau. So if you have worked on Cognos as well, then it's a great advantage for you actually. One more thing that you can see over there, if I just go to the bullet points, Alteryx. So if you have knowledge about data transformation tools like Alteryx, and if you talk about Tableau, you have data prep, then it's a great advantage again for this very particular job profile. You'll be having daily Scrum calls. So for you have to attend that, and then you have to go back to your home. Boston Consulting Group. Perhaps this is one of the most popular consulting company in the world. And here, if we talk about the additional skill set that you need apart from Tableau, you can see data, SQL, data warehousing concepts, R, Python again. But they are laying in emphasis on UX design experience. That means user experience, your ability to narrate stories. Apart from that, certification is also preferred over here. You can see this point, qualified associate or certified professional. Again, let me remind you, if you click on that, it will take you to the actual job. And if it is active and if you think you can apply, you can. We talked about 4 different profiles and our result is based on 20 different job descriptions. I can take you to the conclusion. My analysis is based on the other 20 profiles. And I did make use of text mining, which is out of scope as far as this presentation is concerned. But you can see my ranking over there. Number one is SQL. If you have, so I'm not encouraging you to know everything, but if even if you have only one skill apart from Tableau, that should be SQL, so that you can get a job. After SQL, UX design and Tableau server, because these are related to Tableau, then it should be easier for you to know more about the same or gain knowledge about the same. Data modeling is again related and it's very important. Ignore that UX design again. R and Python again. If you have that, then it's a great advantage. But before that, I was talking about something, right? I was talking about, we talked about these different profiles. We talked about TCS, Boston, JP Morgan. But how are you getting the call, right? In order to get the call, you should have a strong profile. So I have a couple of suggestions for you, and I hope it may help you. It might help you. Why should anyone call you for an interview? What can make you different or tempt HR to give you a call? So these are my 3 points for you. Dashboard portfolio. You would have heard about models portfolio where they have photographs. They hope and they submit their photograph and they hope that someone will call them. Similarly, you should have your dashboard profile. I have especially taken permission from Meenu Chaudhary for Tableau profile and from Pallavi Naik for resume. So I have, and Tableau certification is the second point. So let us go to that very particular profile. So she is Meenu. She is Data Monarch from Tableau community. Data Monarch means the highest title that you can have as far as those point systems is concerned. So you can see. So I would like you to come over here and see, and maybe some of the workbooks will be in the downloadable format. So you can download as well and you can see what she has done. You can learn from her and try to implement the same at your Tableau profile as well. So this is the Tableau profile. CV, to the point CV is very important. Now look what a neat and clean CV she has made. Now you have to convert this to the Word format or PDF so that you can apply with that. But you can go ahead and create the similar profile, similar Tableau dashboard CV as well. So you can see it's so clear. Technical skill, Tableau, Teradata, achievements. She has discussed the roles and responsibilities to the point. So you can take some inspiration from this profile again to Pallavi and Meenu. So I think I'm done, and I hope this blog is useful for you. And if this is useful for you and you think this will be useful for others as well, then you should share it, like it, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe. And keep on dancing with data because data ही दाता है और तुमको सब कुछ आता है.